I just want to share a quick story about something that we need right now, especially with many people gone back into lockdown, and that's somehow you have to find your grit, your determination and your courage to keep on going. Whatever experience you've had, you may be completely over it, your business may have been opened and closed, same with your job. It's really important that you dig in and get your grit and your determination. You see, it's very easy to fall into bad habits when our routines are thrown out of the window and we have to stay at home. Yet it's actually the best time to leverage off what is happening right now, to learn and grow so that you come through it even stronger and wiser. And I've been watching the Olympics. I love watching the Olympics. Some incredible performances, yet behind so many of the performances are so many incredible stories of personal tragedy and heartache, almost, sport ending injuries, yet people have come back. And I think one of the most inspiring things I saw yesterday was the swimmers, the Australian swim team in that 100-metre relay medley, and the final leg by Kate Campbell, who, as you may remember, once upon a time was the queen of all the media. She's still amazing, but when you lose your edge and someone else comes up, it puts an awful lot of pressure, and who knows what else on that person when suddenly you're not revered as number one at the top anymore. And she said this in her interview: you find out what you're made of in the times when things don't go your way, not when things are working well for you. And I took that mindset into the race, and I thought, you have to be brave and get back out there. So if you need any inspiration, if you're here in Queensland and maybe you've gone into lockdown, or other parts of Australia or the world where you are impacted, remember those words. You have to be brave and get back out there. So be brave. Maybe it's stepping up your health routine. Maybe it's doing those tasks, making a list and not procrastinating, just getting on with it and remembering nothing lasts forever. When you get through these times, would you like to look back and be super proud of yourself of how you showed up? And you put that extra effort, that grit, that determination into achieving what you did? Or what would your future self look like if you knew that you hadn't showed up, you'd got into bad habits, you'd procrastinated, maybe you've been eating and drinking to numb the disappointment of everything? So see if you can look at your future self, decide which one you want, and then step into your grit and determination. Make a few plans, have a routine for your day. Remember, nothing lasts forever, and as Kate says, it's in times when things don't go your way that you grow. I hope that was helpful. Mandy Napier, Mindset for Success.